Today we're gonna do rosemary water with and without argan oil and olive oil for your hair. For the rosemary water without the oil, use 3 cups of water and a little bit of the rosemary plant. For the rosemary water with the oil, use 3 cups of water, a little piece of your rosemary plant, and 1 tablespoon of argan oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For both recipes, start off putting the rosemary plant into a pot with water. Then heat up the pot and stir it a few times while the water is cooking. Let the water boil a few minutes. Then take out the rosemary plant, put the pot aside and let it cool down. Then you can fill it into something like this to later spray the rosemary water on your hair. If you want to use the rosemary water with oil, then add the olive oil and the argan oil. Just always make sure to shake it before using it, due to the fact that oil separates from water. Then you can use it, for example, spraying it on your hair after shower. It will keep your hair healthy and will make it grow faster. You can use the rosemary water for 3 weeks. After that time it starts getting bad.